Hey everybody, it's Nabeel Mulla with you here again today. Today I'm here to show you the new SONY XB32 Extra Bass Portable Bluetooth Speaker. Check it out. So this is basically the 2019 version of the XB31 speaker. And this is pretty much the same as the XB31, but it's got a couple of differences, and I'm going to show you here in just a second. This will be available very soon in the United States. Right now this comes in 3 different colors. You can get it in black, gray, or blue. Let's get it out of the box and check it out. This is what it looks like when you open up the box. Right on top you've got the speaker, and you've got some paperwork, and in the bottom you've got a USB cable. Looks like USB type B. And that's it. All right, so the boring stuff first. We'll get to the paperwork. You've got a US and Canada 1-year limited warranty, reference guide, and you've got pictures to show you how to do everything from taking it out of the box to pairing it. Everything you need to do, the party chain, the lights, right here. Show you how long this USB cable is. There you go. That's maybe 2 feet, 1.5 feet. Too bad they didn't make it a USB type C. We'll get the speaker out of the wrapper. Okay, so it definitely has a different feel from the XB31. It's got mostly rubberized exterior. So this all the way around is rubberized. The only thing that's got the material on it from that the XB31 had is in the front, the grill. So the rest of it is all rubberized. Another thing that's different about it is the lights. The lights form a Y on the sides, and they go all the way around the front. The XB31, they did go all the way around the front, but then they came like in a U shape on the sides. So slightly different light pattern. This is meant to be able to sit horizontally or vertically. If you do it horizontally, it's got 4 little nubs on the bottom to set it on. The Sony logo is embossed on the bottom, and you've got it written right here in the front on top. All of your buttons are going to be right here on the top, including the live mode, play, pause, power, and volume buttons. And then in the back, you've got this sealed off area here, and that's going to give you DC charging, so you can charge your phone right through this. It has WPC, audio in, DC in for charging. Whenever you're charging this, you're just going to put your USB cable right in here and either put a brick on the end of this or just plug it into a USB outlet, and this is going to charge. They say that this has a 24-hour battery life. Unless you've got it in extra bass mode, then I believe it goes down to 14 hours. Still pretty decent battery life. In comparison to the XB41, that's 41 from last season. Here's an XB41 from last season and the 32 from this season. So quite a bit smaller than the 41 and 42. If there is going to be a 42, I'm not sure there's going to be a 42 in this year's lineup. And also you can see how last year's model had the material going all the way around. Front, back, bottom, everywhere. This year it's more rubberized. It's a little bit slick, but I don't think it's as slick as the material was. So maybe an improvement as far as carrying it. The 32 for my hand is a good fit. Anything bigger than that gets a little bit more difficult to carry around. The 41 is a little large and a little slick, so they did give you the rubber pads sort of to get a finger grip on it for the 41, but this is definitely easier to carry than the 41. This has a lot of the same features that the XB31 had. They're still promoting their live sound, which gives you a bigger sound field. So it's going to project the sound in a wider field so it sounds more like a live experience. And just like in the XB31, you'll be able to tap this or bang on it to make different sounds. And another good feature about this, it has an IP67 rating. So it's totally dust proof. You can drop it in the water and it's okay. You can wash it and it's okay. It's got the party chain capability. And not only will you be able to play the same sound, through all of them, but you can also synchronize the lighting in all of them, so you really get a party going in a big space. Enough talk about it. Let's get to listening to it. All right, so there you have it. This is the XB32 by Sony. This will run you about $150 at Best Buy. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Did you like the way it sounded? Do you like the party chain with the other Sony speakers? I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, please let me know what you thought of the sound down below. And if you think it's worth $150, I think it sounded really good. I actually think I like it better than the SB41. So maybe they made some improvements inside to get the sound sounding better. And I appreciate you watching, and I will catch you on the next video.